In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests on Asana. If you're working on a project and need to collaborate with someone who isn't part of your team, inviting them as a guest on Asana is a straightforward process. Follow along as we go through all the steps to seamlessly bring a guest into your project. First, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. Start by heading over to Asana's homepage. If you haven't already, enter your email address in the designated field. This is the email associated with your Asana account, so make sure you have access to it. Click on the Continue button once you've entered it. Next, you'll need to provide your password. Enter your password carefully to avoid any errors and then click on Login. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. From here, find the project you want to share with a guest, navigate through your projects and click on the one you intend to open. Once you're inside the project, you'll locate a Share button situated on your screen. Click on it to proceed to the sharing options. In the sharing options, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. This is where you invite the guest by inputting their email. As you do this, consider the role you'd like the guest to have within your project. Asana provides several roles you can assign: project admin, editor, commenter, or viewer. Choosing the correct role is crucial as it defines what the guest can do within the project. If you want them to manage or edit tasks, project admin or editor might be appropriate. Conversely, if they only need to view updates or comment, the commenter or viewer roles are more suitable. Once you've selected the appropriate role, you'll find the option to invite. Click on this to finalize the invitation. The guest will receive an email with the invitation to join the project. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, you can copy the project link directly. Locate the Copy Project Link option. Clicking on this will copy the link to your clipboard. You can then send this link to your guest via email or any messaging platform you prefer. Just ensure that the link reaches the right person, and when they follow it, they'll be able to access the project as per the role you've assigned. And that's it, you've successfully invited a guest to your project on Asana. Inviting guests can open up your project to collaborative prospects and bring in the expertise you need. Make sure you communicate clearly with your guest on what role they'll play, and enjoy the enhanced collaboration Asana offers. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.